What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video I will be eating potato scalloped. I made this myself and it smells so good. I cannot wait to dive in. But you guys, I have a recipe. I will leave it down below for you guys. It's quick and easy and it tastes so good. I haven't tasted it yet, but I know it tastes good because the smell, the smell up in here tastes so good. So basically it's potato. It is, let me get the name right. It is bacon cheddar potato scalloped. Okay, it tastes really, really good. So let's just dive in. Ooh, it's very cheesy and it's hot. I just made it. Yes, 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 yes. I just love when my food are hot because sometimes I make them. I don't really have time to eat it right away because I'm taking pictures, doing all of that. But look at that. It's nice and juicy. This is perfect. Obviously, I won't be able to eat all of this because it's a lot. I'm going to separate it. I want to. Whoa! I want to, but. Perfect. Perfecto. Nice and cheesy. Oh, so good. It reminds me. What is that? It reminds me of chili cheese fries type of thing. So good. Really good. Remember how I see this? I want you guys to actually see this. Hopefully you guys can see it. Because the goodness up in this whole thing is so good. I wish I added more like big old chunks of onions. Oh my gosh. Oh, you see the potatoes nice and it's not soggy. It's nice and perfectly cooked. It's like a not mashed potato, baked potato. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Try this. Let me know. Wow. Genius. I don't know how I came up with this idea, but amaze ball. And it tastes so good too. So, how's you guys doing today? I see that you guys really like my mukbang, so I'm making more, as you guys can see. Oh, this is great. If you're a big like chili cheese fried type of potato with cheese broccoli type of person, try this right now. Lord of mercy. This is well done. I didn't make too much because only me that's going to eat it. And I wish I made more because I want some for tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Can't believe this. I'm like, there has to be something to make with these potatoes. I have a bunch of potatoes sitting around. Like, that's my dinner, you guys. Like, literally, this is my dinner. I did not eat dinner. So, wow, the smoked paprika, you can get the little kick from it. It's not spicy whatsoever, but you can kind of, it's so good. But yeah, what I'm trying to do, wow, so cheesy. I wish you guys could see this. What I'm trying to do is something that I cook. I will try to do a mukbang with it. Sometimes, not all the time. Some potato or chunkier or chunkier than other. Like this one, it's nice and soft. If you want, add some broccoli. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. Wow. You hear that crunchiness? Perfectly cooked bacon. Perfectly cooked. Nice and crispy. Wow. Get a bite of this. Nice and cheesy for you. Lots of bacon in it. Still have some more bacon left. I made too much. I just feel like now I'm blowing because it's getting hot. It's already hot, but I didn't blow. I don't know why. Got that cheese. And that onion is well caramelized. Oh my gosh. Boy. And I didn't add salt. I add salt while I boil this potato because I know the bacon has salt. The cheese, salt. Yeah, I saw you guys commented on my last video. Oh my god, all that sodium. It was actually my hubby's to prepare all the ingredients. It wasn't me, so he loved his salt. I know that's right. Wow, wow. This is good. Yo. This is amazing. Really good. I want to do a Q&A. I don't know when I will be doing it. I want to have enough questions. So, I don't know. If you want to ask me questions, go ahead and leave them in. Like I was saying, you guys, if you want, you can leave me some question here. Every now and then I get some personal question I don't feel like answering. I feel like it's one person and then the next person gonna ask and the next person. I like to make a whole video for it. So, oh, by the way, you guys, I'm rocking my natural hair. I forgot to mention. But this is my hair, you guys. I had a big shop not too long ago. Actually, it's a while ago. Maybe like 6-7 months ago. But this is my hair. It's actually growing, so wow. Listen, you see that steam? It's like oh my gosh. You see how this potato is breaking? Nice and soft, nice and soft. Perfection. Yeah, I really love the onion. That's something you can get in a restaurant. That's how good it is. It's really good. See, it's breaking nice and easy. It gives you like a baked potato texture. It's not soggy. It's not too like mushy. It's not too hard, it's just in the middle. You see that? You can see how, as much as I do want to eat this all tonight, it's pretty late. Not late, maybe 7, but I can't. I have to save the rest for tomorrow because I need to leave room for snacks, okay? So that will be all. That's it for tonight. I'm gonna save my little leftovers. Hopefully they still good. I'm gonna put them in the oven again. So good. Put it in the oven again. And someone told me not to put music on my mukbang videos. I will try this one without music and see how it goes. I really be watching your comments, okay? I be listening. Some of the, you know, nice criticism, I listen to them. Not the mean one. But I'm gonna try this mukbang without music and see how it goes. And you guys, go follow me right now on Snapchat. I need all of you guys to go follow me. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now and like the video, share it with your friends, family, and I will see you guys next time on another mukbang.